So yay, Adidas, probably one of the biggest topics of conversation amongst the sneaker community. Everyone is waiting to see what will be the next big move from either party. So as we wait for that big announcement from Ye, Adidas has revealed their plans to reclaim the market. So as the sneaker wars go on, Nike continues to dominate while Adidas reports major financial loss after cutting ties with Ye. Adidas reports themselves that the Yeezy collaboration was one of the brand's most successful collaborations of all time. And just in the fourth quarter alone, they anticipate to lose profits of almost $250 million. Experts forecast that the split between the two could cost Adidas estimated total losses of up to $645 million going into 2023. So as the world waits for Adidas' next big move that could set the tone for the brand for the next 5 to 10 years, Adidas plans a huge announcement. Introducing the next big highlight, Adidas basketball. Their marketing strategy is going to focus on next-gen athletes and partners that the company believes are part of the culture that surrounds the game of basketball. So they've already got Donovan Mitchell and Trae Young. They're going to be rolling out their signature shoes. Plus, the Adidas Forum already represents one of their fastest growing silhouettes in the company's history. And secondly, Jerry Lorenzo and Fear of God represent the pinnacle of expression and the new visual direction of Adidas basketball. So obviously Adidas is putting a lot of faith into Adidas basketball, and I want to see Jerry Lorenzo win. So the Adidas basketball idea of covering lifestyle to on-the-court performance definitely aligns with, I feel like, what Jerry Lorenzo was trying to pull off over at Nike, which, according to leaked conversation, the company didn't see his vision for the future.
Nike was down here in LA, and I gave them my plan for, 5 to 10 year plan, and built Fear of God basketball, Fear of God performance, I guess is what we called it at the time. They shared, unfortunately, that they didn't see the future going in the same way that I saw it.
So Adidas, they came with the bag. They offered more creative control. So it definitely is a win for Adidas, and it feels like a win for Jerry. I mean, the man even got the Adidas symbol tatted on his neck. But it's also important to mention Ye, one of Jerry's friends, who also went through a very similar situation with Nike, as well as Jerry's new partner, Adidas.
When I had the opportunity to work with Nike, what I asked them to do is allow me to get royalties off of what I created. They said no.
So Adidas states they will have a big presentation for Adidas basketball, as well as Fear of God athletics, and you can expect the products to be rolling out very soon. So we're all excited for Jerry. I feel like everyone is hoping for Jerry Lorenzo to win in this situation, but it's very important to look at his friend Ye as a case study. So you saw how things went with Nike. He was disgruntled. He also complained about not having control, as well as royalties. Some of the same battles that Jerry fought for over at Nike, which led him over to Adidas. And we all saw how things played out for Ye over at Adidas. Although his recent actions got him to end the partnership with the company, things between Adidas and Ye were definitely disgruntled, to say the least, for the last couple of years, and his most recent actions were just the icing on the cake. So when it comes to Jerry Lorenzo and Adidas, while things could start off great, when you're dealing with any corporate structure, people and executives that are in higher places, people at management, people that are close to you with the brand, could have just a short-lived life cycle. And the same people at Adidas now, working with Jerry Lorenzo and Fear of God, could be long gone in 5 to 10 years from now. So you never know how things change in the future, and we all just are praying that Jerry can hopefully beat this cycle and he could come on top with Fear of God athletics. And possibly, if things don't work out with Adidas in the long run, hopefully it's just a stepping stone for him to continue to grow his brand and just take things to the next level. So we're rooting for Jerry. I'm excited to see what he can bring to the table over at Adidas. While on the other side of things, we're all still waiting for that big announcement on the next big move coming from the Yeezy side of things. So let me know in the comments, do y'all feel like the impact that Adidas basketball can have can make a huge move on the market, similar to a case like Nike basketball did in the early 2000s? Do y'all feel Jerry Lorenzo's vision of mixing on the court with off the court lifestyle models? What do y'all think about everything covered in today's video? Let me know in the comments below. Salute to everyone for tuning in. I'm J.A. Make sure y'all stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Love.